Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. here. Today we're going to talk about some load securement and a cool product that's been out for a little bit. I finally got my hands on a set. I have plenty of load securement stuff, but these are actually pretty sweet. So for the last decade, 2 decades, I've been using just a similar ratchet strap. These right here, you can see all that loose stuff for them. I tie them up really nice and they're strong enough, they do the work and everything, and they haven't ever failed. But I don't know how many times I've came into my bed and hooked this onto there, and while I'm running it across my couch or whatever I'm hauling, and the loose slack, that this bad boy falls off. And you know, it's a pain in the butt. As I get older and have less of my boys around to help me, hey, hold that up, it's kind of a pain. So I took a look at some of these. Now these straps are a little bit more expensive than you'll find on those. Those are Goodyear. I have some Snap-on ones, but they are warranted for life. And what makes them special is they're auto retracting, so no more falling off and no more tons of loose stuff. And the little flapper that's always flopping in the wind on your truck, no more of that crap. Another thing too that they do is they give you like a little clip here, so it adds extra securement to when you're initially just hooking stuff up, and that is really slick. As you can see right here, once you clip it behind there, there's no way it's going to fall off. That's why you're running that over there to your couch and everything like that. It holds it nice and tight. But here's what's really cool. With this down all the way, you can just run it over there and clip it. And now look, no extra loose material. And it auto retracts. Then when you're ready for that, you just pull this lever up, ratchet out whatever remaining slack there is. And then once you're done with your load and you unhook it and you put it down, all the way down here, this bad boy, once you disconnect and you're ready to store it, that's it. No more loose tails. They do give you a little carry bag, but you know, to be honest with you, as nice as this rolls up, it'll go right nice in the bags that I currently have. The one thing I'll recommend is always look at your max load and your max brake strength, and make sure you're getting the right one, because they do have 1-inch ones. They come in multiple packs. I'll link these down below so you can head over. They sell them on the Zon. There's a couple other brands out there for sure that do this. There are some brands that actually replace your box link if you have a Ford, but then you have to buy the extra plate that comes with it. This one I like just because it does exactly what I needed to do. I don't have to replace anything. It's super simple. They're very affordable, lifetime warranty. And I would make note of the construction too. Look at the way that the strap is actually made, almost like a seat belt. And you know how tough seat belts are and how long they last. Versus just a standard strap where they can stretch over time, fray, get loose. This is a really nice built setup. And if you're going to be hauling any type of gear in anything, whether it be an SUV and you need a tie down, they have tie down points in those. These type of products are really nice because again, they contract really easy. They're super simple to work. And even though these ones are pretty easy to work, if it's the first time, some people don't know how to run the strap through the thing. They don't know that after you roll up so much on there, you got to take out the slack. Otherwise it'll jam up. You won't be able to crank it down as tight. Now, until those other straps give up, which they probably never will, for the extra few bucks that these are, I'll probably be strapped for life, pun intended. But at the end of the day, I've used them a couple times so far. They've worked excellent. And no more of that slipping and falling off the hook while I'm on the other side of the truck and then I got to get pissed and climb over the other side. Really good. I'm not endorsed by this company, so you know, at the end of the day, they make a good product, and I'm going to tell you it's a good product. And whether you want to go out and invest in something like that, it's a much better mechanism. I will tell you like this, with anything that has a moving mechanism in it, after you use it, let it dry out and then put it away. If it gets dirty, wash it off. And a product like this really needs to be taken care of, just like any other straps, kept out of the element so the working mechanism doesn't get gunked up. But it is a very sealed up mechanism. As long as you don't drench it in dirt and sit it out in the rain for 8 years and let it rust up, you're probably not going to ever have a problem with it, and it's a lifetime warranty. But at the end of the day, when you are hauling your stuff in your vehicle, whether it's a pickup or an SUV, you are responsible for load securement. It's not just you out there on the road, it's other people. And if that falls out or whatever and causes any type of issue, or it just tips over in your bed and gets damaged or falls or slides forward, there's a lot of different reasons why you got to secure your load. So as always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and check out the channel. Helps the small channel out, and I'll catch you on the next one.